welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to test yourself using ChatGPT quizzes. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply test yourself using ChatGPT quizzes, then you can simply go and tap open ChatGPT. Now you can simply assign a role to ChatGPT. Example, you are a tutor, now quiz me on this topic. So if you're going to do this, then it will get a prompt that it is a tutor and it needs you to be quizzed. So you need to now provide a bit of context about your study material, like you can paste your lectures, notes, summary by tapping on the plus icon. Once you have done this as well, you can simply engage with the quiz. You can answer questions as they appear, request different difficulty level, and review your performance. So in this way, you can simply test yourself using ChatGPT quizzes. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.